What's up guys, Alec here. Hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I'm out here just catching the sunrise on the beautiful beaches of the East Coast, and it's 6:30 in the morning right now, and I wouldn't be able to be here if it wasn't for the life that I'm able to create and craft with the businesses that I'm able to build online, and that's what I want to share with you guys. So if you guys stay till the end, I have a quick little tip for you guys that will tremendously help you guys and separate you guys from 99% of the sellers selling on Amazon, and will put you in first place and in the lead as far as having a winning product and actually getting traction on a product that can create you thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So stay to the end and I'll give you that tip. I want to answer a question that a lot of you and a lot of people, especially on my channel, have been asking me over the last few months. And it's a common question that I get a lot from my students. And that question is Amazon FBA in general too hard to start, or is it too competitive of any sort? And if it's too late to start, and if there's room in 2018 for me. And you know, I think this answer can go a few different ways, but if you're anything like me and you're an entrepreneur, I think that there's truly an unlimited amount of possibilities if you put yourself in the right perspective and the right mindset, and you don't let all the negative outside voices get into your head about this business of Amazon FBA. And there's a lot of people who might tell you it's not good to start, it's too saturated, too competitive, and I'm just going to help differentiate between the few things and the negative connotations that this business gets, and help you guys understand what actually you're up against in 2018. So a lot of the things people say is it's too saturated. Is it saturated from 5 years ago? It's increasingly becoming a little bit more competitive. But does that mean that there's no room for you? Absolutely not. Guys, the rate at which e-commerce and Amazon FBA and shopping online is becoming is outpacing the amount of sellers that are selling on Amazon. So to say that it's dead or it's too late is completely false. In my opinion, Amazon FBA and e-commerce is just starting. If you guys understand how early in the game e-commerce is, and selling online in general, then you could understand how much opportunity there is. I'm standing in front of the ocean right now, and it's extremely vast and large, and that's kind of how I like to think of e-commerce as. If you think of the ocean as Amazon FBA and how many products that you actually have the opportunity to sell, and if you just think that all you need is 5, 6, 7 products to create yourself a full-time income and be able to live the life of your dreams on your terms, guys. I mean, there's nothing else like that. You don't have to live and wake up every morning, put a suit on, and travel on a train and get to a crappy job that you hate, and listen to a boss that you don't want to listen to, and sit there from 9 to 5, come home, and have to do it on repeat every day. This business gives you freedom, and with that, it allows you to live that life of your dreams without having to sell your time for money. And that's a key point. When you create a business, and especially with Amazon FBA or any online income stream, a lot of people like to say this is passive and passive income and this and that, and a lot of people get turned away when some people say, oh, this is a passive income stream. Guys, it's a passive income stream, absolutely, but it does require a little bit of work up front, and that's why I like it, because you know, a lot of people, if they hit 1 or 2 failures, and I'm going to get into that in a second, they give up. So what selling on Amazon isn't, and who it isn't for, is for people who are weak-minded and give up after maybe 1, 2, or even 3 failures. I was at it for quite a bit in the beginning, and until I finally realized what I was doing and made a bunch of mistakes, that it wasn't until then until I started seeing real success, and now being able to do what I want to do on my terms and not have to live under a boss, and basically do what I want. I'm out on this beach at 6 in the morning, and It's something unlike anything I've ever seen, and to be able to have my business running and working for me as I'm standing here right now and creating cash and money for me without having to be there and make sales and have it all, do it all on autopilot for me, is something that a lot of people can be skeptical about, and it's 100% completely legitimate and possible if you guys put yourself in the right mindset and have the right perspective. So I'm just out here and I'm just sharing my experiences with you guys and everything that I have ever learned to help you guys in your business. Or if you're completely new to Amazon FBA and you have no clue what it's about, check out my channel, guys. I have a ton of stuff, and I kind of wanted to negate a lot of what's going on online today and kind of debunk a lot of the stuff that a lot of people or gurus who talk about Amazon give selling on Amazon a bad rap, or say it's too hard, or all these things that can discourage people. And I want to tell you guys that it's completely possible today if you just have the right mindset. So I real quick want to just talk about what it is as far as how it's changed slightly over the last few months and how you can adapt and kind of overcome these issues or difficulties that you're having. So about 5 years ago, Amazon FBA was the Wild West, and you could basically throw up any product on Amazon and it would sell like crazy. So fast forward 5 years. So whenever you're watching this video, it's 2018 right now, and like I was saying, Amazon has absolutely changed. I'm not going to say it hasn't, but it has changed and has become harder for the people who do not have the mindset to withstand something like Amazon and any slight changes that could occur. So like, I'll give you an example. Guys, reviews and getting reviews has changed slightly on Amazon. It's become a little bit more difficult, but you know, with changes comes reaction, and the people who actually will survive and will win are the ones who adapt and change accordingly. So guys, are you just gonna give up? Are you the person who's gonna just give up because something became slightly more difficult? Or are you just gonna adjust like the big guys and the big players who are making thousands of dollars per month, multiple thousands per month, and who are actually crushing on Amazon? Or are you gonna be like the 99% of society who just gives up when they hit one failure? So guys, like I said, I was gonna share an extremely helpful tip with you guys that will set you guys apart from 99% of the people selling on Amazon. And that tip is actually creating real value and not just copying and pasting things from Alibaba and products, because that's just a recipe for similar products, and that's something that everyone else is doing. To actually really win, like a lot of the top big sellers on Amazon today are doing, and what they're doing is they're actually creating real value, and they're bundling products together. They're actually making their products unique in some type of way, and rather than just copy and pasting and creating Me Too products. So if you guys follow that blueprint and go against the grain of what everyone else is doing, Amazon will actually reward you and put you in first place and rank your products 10 times quicker and faster and easier, and without having to fight for that spot. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and for staying till the end, I wanted to help you guys with that and share something that not many people know, and I've been seeing recently that can help you guys in your business. So in my opinion, that's what separates someone who truly hits their goals and someone who has a difficult time on Amazon. So I think that right now is the prime time to start Amazon, and that opportunity is not really going anywhere for a long time. So there are thousands of products that you guys can sell, and it's all about being unique and different. You know, maybe if you follow what I speak about on my channel, and you do things such as like bundling and making your products actually unique, then you stand a chance to really separate and differentiate yourself from what all the other people are doing and the things that are making people struggle today. So I mean, absolutely, there are 100% possibilities and chance if you just put yourself in the right mindset. You listen to a mentor, someone like me, who is giving you the roadmap and the blueprint to success. So, and if you follow someone like me, I'm gonna tell you all the real deal, and not BS you and give you guys what's worked for me and help me grow my business to multiple 6 figures a year, and that's been able to get me to where I am today, and just enjoying life and living it on your terms, because guys, I truly want that for you. If you're on my channel, you know that's what I'm all about. Guys, if you are new to Amazon FBA, or you're just starting, or you're just on my channel and you're not sure if you want to start or not, the best advice I can give anyone is to follow someone who has got to where you want to be, and just be unrelentless towards that goal. And don't ever give up, because no matter how challenging it gets, there's always positive things waiting on the other side of success for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at the sunrise, guys. It's just amazing. I'm just truly grateful to be sharing my experiences with you guys. And I don't know if you could see, it's probably a little dark right now, but yeah, the sun is pretty bright. So I'm just excited to be sharing everything, helping you guys along your journey and sharing my experience as I grow. Because if you guys have a strong will to get past the failures and any slight issues that can occur, there's greatness waiting on the other side for you. So guys, just follow somebody who knows what they're doing like me, and I guarantee you guys will be able to succeed in the online space and be able to create a life of your dreams, like I'm out here right now, doing what I want to do and having my business run in the background as I'm here. And no, this is not like a passive income. I'm not going to scream out this is, the easiest thing in the world, but what good and like whatever worth it comes easy, guys. You have to understand and realize a lot of the people online that you're listening to, they're just trying to grab your attention with this fancy thing, saying that it's the easiest thing in the world, and there's no work that's needed. You can just throw something up and you're making millions. That's not what it's about. I don't think anything in the world that's worth it comes that easy. But just know, if you put in that work, maybe 2, 3, 4 months, you can get a product, or you can get a few products that are making you a full-time income. So to answer the question of this video, is it too late to start? Is it saturated? Absolutely not. This is the perfect time, and it's gonna continue to be the perfect time to start for many years. And there are products all over, and there are hundreds of ways to innovate and create something unique that will actually separate you and put you in the position to win on Amazon. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I put out tons of videos about Amazon FBA, living the laptop lifestyle, freedom, entrepreneurship. So click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.